Oh, oof. Hey friends, what's going on? You're a little zoomed in there. Oh, maybe not. Oh, hello. So, today's gonna be another talk video. Oh, I'm on the wrong lens. Okay, this is better. So, today's gonna be another talk video. What happened to Amber? Now, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know that I went on a little rant about the car and my motivation to do anything to the car. So today we are going to chat about that, and hopefully this is the last garbage content I have to upload because I feel incredibly sorry for all the trash that I've been uploading. I haven't bought a car part in 2 months. But on the other hand, actually, I was joking about that. I did buy a car part. This is a custom made rear sway bar. This is gonna be going on the Mazda 3. It's a 32mm big boy with multiple different stiffnesses. So I need to buy some sway bar brackets for this. Then we're gonna be throwing it on the Mazda 3 and see if we can redeem the Raceland's life expectancy. Just kidding, see if they're gonna be any good after this. I'm hoping that this comes through. It's very, very nice. Got it powder coated in this beautiful, beautiful red. It will probably get destroyed, but that's fine. But anyways, we do have car parts. Car parts are happening. So if you guys didn't see anything on my Instagram about my rant about the speed, basically what happened is I went to roll the fenders to find out that I can't roll them, which made me very upset because I was left again with a car that is non-functional because the fenders were redone and yada yada. If you guys haven't seen the new fenders, go ahead and check out the last video. I'll try and remember to leave the link in the description. But basically, in a sense, this is what happened. The fenders were redone. The fenders were coated in a fiberglass instead of Bondo to keep that strength of the fender even when it starts to rust through again, because the rust will come through. It comes in from behind, and so they coated it in fiberglass and painted over it. Now fiberglass cracks, and even when I used extreme to moderate heat to try and roll the fender, the fiberglass was cracking, so I could not go any further, and I'm basically stuck with a useless car if I'm going to run any kind of wheel on it, which these wheels on it right now are at 8.5 by a 35 offset, which it sticks out, and I can't run them on stock fenders. So basically I was upset because I was stuck. The car is useless to me as of now. It's undrivable and it's unsafe, or I will destroy the tires and the fenders. And which really put me in a really, really, really low mood because once again, we're stuck with a car that I just legitimately can't do anything with. That puts me to today's video, and we're gonna chat about a couple things regarding what's going on next with the speed. So if we come over to Amber and take a look at what we got going on the fenders, as you guys can see here, big meets, and big meets meet fender over bumps and other things. So basically, like I said, the fenders were rusted or sanded down and redone. Now you guys can see I did talk about going on a trip in the last video, and you can see that trip definitely didn't result well. Fiberglass is already cracking right here. This is one crack. This fender did okay. It was mostly the other fender due to me sitting in this side, had more weight on it. So this is also the side that I tried rolling, and you guys will see that in multiple places. Right here is bent. There's a lot of just rubbing going on, and then right here, this is where I tried to roll it because this was already pushed out, and as you can see, the fiberglass did start cracking. So there's definitely some not going to work situation here. So this is where we're going to talk about what's happening to this car as of now. So by the title of the video, you guys are probably wondering, well, where's the fender flares and when are you going to wide body it? What kind of wheels are you going to put on? Now, I'm not going to as of now yet, but don't let the title fool you because it probably will definitely happen next year when I'm ready. Right now I'm trying to budget out a lot of stuff right now. I got a lot of stuff going on in the background that you guys will find out later on in the future. So I'm trying to budget out and make, allocation and just trying to work things out right now. So trying to flare the car and get wheels for it and tires for it that aren't cheap is a little bit out of what I want to do this year for this car. This year for this car was honestly, I wasn't even supposed to be doing, top mount intercooler or catless downpipe or anything. I was literally just gonna slap the wheels on it, do the coilovers, and then the Mazda 3 was gonna get all the love this year, but I've kind of changed up. Obviously, like I always do and like other car guys do, the Mazda 3's kind of fallen out, and I want to bring the speed back because I understand that the speed is the main topic on the channel for you guys, and I know you love this car and I do too. But when I'm stuck with situations like this where, you know what, it is my fault because I didn't think ahead about the fiberglass cracking, it puts me into a non-motivational mood, which now I'm uploading shitty content like this for you guys to try to enjoy, which is not nice. So how the speed goes right now and what's gonna happen. So I'm not going wide, but we will be trying to cut the fender, cutting the actual fender panel, but we're gonna try and cut the inner lip, fill it, and then try and pull out the fender as much as I can so that I'm not rubbing anymore, because I want this car to be able, I want to be able to drive this car how it is right now this year. I got so much stuff to do for it. I got a catless downpipe sitting right there. I'm gonna get the O2 sensors ready and stuff like that. I want to be able to take this car out for a drive. I got multiple other things to worry about with this car. I got 2 engine lights on for the O2 sensor. I got a shutter valve that I need to replace, which is cheap and it's fine, but this car's just been a pain in my ass. I'm trying to give it the love that it deserved, but it's just rejecting everything that I throw at it, which is very, very unmotivational in this situation. So as of now, the speed is not going wide. In the situation that we do cut the inner lip on those fenders and it really, really screws it up, the speed will go wide this year. It will be a slow process, considering that I want to get everything else finalized because it's running like shit. I think I need to get a boost leak test, or the tune is just no good. This car is a pain in my ass. I'm just gonna say it straight up. Also, having Squirt, which is in the background, even though I haven't done much to it, it's stressing me out because it should have been gone a long time ago. So this weekend we're putting a push on it. You guys are gonna see a video on that. We're putting a push on it to get it out of here, and it's going to a new owner. I didn't tell you guys that, but it's going to someone. But there's a little hint behind it. I can't tell you, but this is where the speed stands. I want to get it loved. I want to be able to drive the car. I want to be able to enjoy the summer with this car, even though we just started summer. But I need to budget my, you know, money and where it's going and stuff like that. And I hope you guys can understand that, because sometimes it's very difficult. And as for YouTubers go, we run into multiple issues with our cars, and in the sense that, hey, you know, this guy's got 1 million subscribers, normally he has other people take care of it, but in my sense, I have to take care of it, and it's just kind of a pain in the ass, but it is what it is. So I hope you guys, I appreciate all of you guys and the support you guys are giving me on Instagram and stuff like that revolving around this issue. I know I sound like a little bitch crying to you guys about this, but I just gotta be straight up honest, and I gotta release off my chest. This car has been a pain in the ass. I know you guys love it, and I'm trying to fight for its life on this channel, because I have not imagined how many times I've wanted to sell Amber. I'm gonna start buying stuff again, don't worry, I just gotta wait a little bit. If any of you guys want to buy my old PC, I'll sign it and I'll sell it to you. I'll ship it out to you. Let me know. If you guys have stuck around to this moment in this video, thank you very much. We're gonna end it off here. I appreciate every one of you guys that support my struggles, but we're going on. We're moving forward. It's difficult, but I love you guys. I love my cars. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you guys somewhat enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit the subscribe button, leave a like on the video, and leave a comment what you guys think about the situation that's going on with the Mazdaspeed 3 right now. Once again, I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. On that note, keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.